About to make some Cajun chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Alright, well. Got some chicken. What else we got in here? Some fresh parsley, broccoli that I'm not going to use. Shallots. Some Cajun seasoning. I think I missed a laundry seasoning. Fresh black cracked pepper. Asiago. Parmesan. Some butter. Don't forget the heavy cream. What else we got in here? Some fettuccine. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's start off with taking the chicken out, cutting these little things. I'm like, why? What are they? Like, why does that have to come with that stuff on it? I gotta trim that stuff off, let it soak in some water. I don't know if y'all wash your chicken, but wash that shit, bro. Some shrimp. Raw shrimp. Don't get the cooked shrimp. Don't be lazy, bro. Now let's take this out. I like to cut it in half. I don't like my chicken too thick. So I cut those hoes in half. Throw it in the bowl. Put some black pepper on that thing. What else are we gonna put on there? Some Cajun seasoning from Louisiana. Cajun seasoning. Some Himalayan pink salt. Mix that up. Massage that in real nice and deep. Like throw some large salt in there. We're gonna get some dice up some fresh garlic. After we take this damn peel off, I'm gonna dice this hoe up real nice and fine. Getting it real deep like. Now we're gonna get some shallots, but don't sleep on. Well, I don't know why people sleep on shallots so much. It's like an onion and a garlic made a baby, bro. It's like the best of both worlds. Like how people don't even know about shallots. Like how do you not know about shallots? Delicious. All right, now, yeah. So we're gonna peel the shrimp, right? But we're gonna leave the tails on. So if you know anything about shrimp, you got to leave the tail on for the flavor. That shell, adding that extra flavor to it. Some black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, some salt. Mix that up, let it sit for a little bit. Damn, I threw in some extra. All right, so we put some butter. So this is where I messed up. You're supposed to put the butter, a little bit of oil, and then put the shallots and the garlic in it. I messed up. I was overwhelmed. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I put the cream in when I should have sauteed the shallots and the garlic. So, but anyway, that shit still came on fire though, so it's all good. So we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna do about like 2 tablespoons of like cream cheese. So it's butter, oil, heavy cream cheese, shallots, and garlic. And let that shit like bubble. Let it simmer. Like look at it. Now you can season it. Do a little black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, some Cajun seasoning. Whisk that up. Whisk it real good. Now we're gonna get the cheese, okay? So we're gonna have you gotta, man, get the good. Don't get the cheese that's already grated, bro. Just look at my nails. Oh my god. I gotta cut my damn nails. Oh my god. Jesus. Get the good cheese, man. Spend a little bit of money. Get the triangle joint. You saw I tried to do the salt bae thing. That shit did not work, bro. That shit went all over the stove. Bro, so a lot of people just get Parmesan cheese. They don't get the Asiago, but get the Asiago, man. I'm telling you. A little hint of the Asiago. Oh my God. Crack City Records taking over for the 9-9 in 2020, bro. So whisk it, throw a little bit more Cajun seasoning. We're going to chop up some parsley, okay? Some fresh parsley. Don't get this shit that already comes bottled. It's all dry and shit. You got to get the fresh. Sprinkle that in there and whisk it. Listen. Bacon makes everything better. Throw some bacon. My gut told me to do that. Throw some bacon. Oh, look at the chicken. Oh my god. Look at it. You saw. Oh my goodness, man. Throw that chicken on the damn thing. Cook it. Ooh, avocado oil. Because I didn't have any extra virgin olive oil, so I use that. It tastes good though, and it's healthy. So look at that, man. Cook that chicken up real nice. Look at it. Look at the grill marks on that thing. Oh my. You gotta keep whisking it. You gotta keep that on a low heat. You don't want it too hot, man. You just let it nice cook, cover it up, and let the seasonings just marinate within itself. So I'm gonna keep flipping this chicken. The pros only flip it like twice, man. I just flip it over and over until that shit look good. I'm not a pro. I'm doing this as a joke, actually. I'm cooking as a joke, but it just comes out fire. I don't know how. I'm over here trying to test it. You want the your Alfredo like not too thick, and you don't want it too thin though. It got to be like nice, like medium consistency, real nice and creamy. All right, I'm gonna put the chicken to the side. Chicken's done, bro. Chicken's nice and juicy. Look at it, bro. Look at it bubbling. Look at the juices, bro. Look at the juices on that thing. All right, now we're gonna throw the. Look at that. Look at that. You saw the steam coming from it. Throw a little bit of more of the avocado oil. So what we're gonna do for the shrimp, right? We're gonna cook the shrimp pretty good on one side, and then we're gonna like half cook it on the other side. Okay. So we're gonna do. It sounds weird when I say cook it like medium well, but cook it about medium to medium well, because you want the shrimp to finish off in the sauce. So the sauce gets that flavor, and the flavor gets in. Damn, you saw that one shrimp move? The sauce gets that shrimp flavor, and that shrimp gets that sauce flavor. It just works. Like, look at it, bro. Look, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at the shrimp, bro. Look at the flavor, the seasoning. Oh my god. How do I do? Who taught me how to do? Yo, my gut, bro. My gut's the one doing this. It's not even me. It's just my gut. Like, I black out every time I cook. Like, I don't even remember cooking. It's just my gut that does it, and it wakes me up when it's done. It's like, Michael, wake up. The food is done. So I throw the shrimp when it's like medium well. I throw it in the sauce, in that Alfredo sauce, and just let that Alfredo just. Oh my goodness. Look at it, bro. Mix it up and just let it sit for a little bit. Let it simmer. You don't want it to boil. You want it to simmer. All right. Now we got to cook this pasta. You know, pasta take about, depending on what it is, like 9 to 11 minutes. But you got to salt your water, and you got to put a little bit of oil in the water too, so the pasta don't stick. A lot of people pour the pasta and they break it in half. Don't break it in half. Pour the damn pasta in the pot and just twirl it around until the shit goes into the damn pot. So you want your pasta water to be salty like the sea, whatever the description is, but you want that shit salty though. Oh my! Look at the simmer, bro. Look at. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the shrimp out. Okay, the shrimp is done. You don't want to overcook the shrimp, bro. Overcooked shrimp tastes like rubber, bro. You take the damn shrimp out. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my. Oh, I don't even know how do I do this? Damn, look at it. Voila. Oh my. What I'm about to do right now, I can't remember. Damn, what the hell am I doing? Oh, the pasta? Oh, okay. So we dumped the damn pasta out, right? Ooh, okay. Take all that excess water out. Yeah, I have to make sure nothing's stuck together. Okay. What are we about to do? Don't tell me we're about to throw it. Oh my god, we are. Oof. Look how juicy that looks. Oh my god. How do I do it? Look at that, bro. I wish you guys could smell and taste. Oh my. Look at it. Just real nice and gentle. You gotta be nice with it. You don't want to like over mix and over bait it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, look at the juice in the sauce. You can see the parsley. You can see the seasoning. You can see little bacon bits. Bro, when I tell you the bacon bits that add into the sauce. Oh, let me cut this chicken up. Cut it at an angle, man. Like, cut your chicken at a damn angle. Like that. Look at that. Let the knife work, bro. Let the knife do the work. Look at that. Ooh. Damn, how much chicken there? Damn, am I feeding the damn village? What? Why do I cook so much damn? See, that's my problem. I cook too damn much. Like, why am I cooking so much food for? It's only 3 of us. All these damn leftovers. There you go. Let the knife work. Ooh, like butter. What am I doing? Wash my damn hands? What I gotta do next, bro? Damn. Ooh, are we plating right now? What am I doing? Am I? Oh, okay, there we go. What the fuck? Now we're at the plate. Oh my god. Look at the pasta, bro. Oh, so when you're cooking the pasta, so say the pasta is like 11 minutes to be al dente, right? You want to cook the pasta like for 9 minutes. You don't want to you want it to finish off in the sauce. Let that pasta finish off in the sauce so it takes all that damn flavor. I'm telling you, man, every bite is like Flavor Town. One-way ticket. Look at that shit. I'm over here acting like I know how to plate. Ramsey looking at this shit like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Oh my, throw a little bit extra Alfredo sauce in that thing. Look at it. Look at it just. Oh my god, how do I do this? Got a little on the shrimp. Damn. What is it, a 5-star red? Oh, sprinkle some parsley on that thing. Look at this. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Ooh, I like it like that. Damn, this is a real life wop. Wet ass pasta. Alright, this slow motion a little too slow, bro. I need to change that. Nah, you need to see every single detail of this damn thing. Look at it. Look at that shrimp, bro. That shrimp don't know what to do with itself. Sitting there with the sauce on. Look at the seasoning. I don't know if that's a piece of seasoning or a piece of a bacon bit. But whatever it is, I know the flavor's gonna slap. Hit. Split. Look at it, man. Look at the glisten. Only if you can listen. I'm over here spitting bars. Look at that. Oh my god. I would pay $35 for that. And look at that, man. Oh my god. I don't know how I do this, dude. Like, and I'm doing this as a joke. Like, what? Like, how do I do this as a joke like this? Man. Oh my. When I tell you that this shit fucking hit. It hit. Look at him, bro. It's just staring at you. That is a Cajun Chicken and Shrimp Alfredo. Fresh. Everything fresh. I seriously don't know how I do this, man. It's just like I don't even get down in the kitchen like that, but when I do, I do. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does. Damn, how long is this slow motion? I'm zooming in again for what? Look at it though. Man, I know y'all tired of looking at this damn thing. There you go, man. There's my meal. That's a certified gut buster.